Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. We're talking about my new hair. These are my new crochet passion twists. I actually got my hair braided down this time. Big ups to my girl India. I'm going to put a screenshot of her Instagram right here. You can book her through Booksy, but her braids are second to none, okay? When I tell you, I contacted her and I was like, what should I book you under? Or what should I book under? I just need my hair braided down for a crochet style. She told me what to book. I went to her. She was on time. She got my hair braided, and my braids are so crisp. Like, I didn't even need to put this hair on top of it. I could have just worn those braids. Baby, she is so good. I assure you, if you are in Houston and you need your hair braided, India is who you're going to go to. Now, the hair that I have crocheted is the Lulutress Passion Twist in 24 inches. These are super long. They actually are pulled back right now, but when they're not pulled back, they go almost to my belly button. And I have 7 packs of hair in my head. I actually purchased 2 extra packs, so I installed 8 packs, but then I strategically took some out of the back because that was a lot of hair and I wasn't going to have 8 packs of hair in my head. I'm going to show you the install and then I'll show you how it looks with 1 pack, 2 packs, 3 packs, and so on, so you can kind of get an idea of how many packs you need for your hair. I have a few of the color 99J in here. It is a pretty red color, but I didn't want a whole lot because my nails are different colors and I just didn't want it to clash. But I really like these because my hair is braided down and not the rubber band rows. I'm going to leave it in for probably a month. If I can get away with 6 weeks, cool, but at least a month. There will be no need to take them down in 2 weeks because this is so secure and these are so easy. So check out the install and then I'll be back. So here's my braiding pattern. I have 10 braids going back and then they are like connected and zigzagged in the back to create an amazing base. As you can see, these braids are bolted down amazingly. I have 10 in all again. I use a latch hook. By now, you are familiar with a latch hook. I use them in almost every hair video. And here's what the hair looks like. This pack is the color 99J. It has a red tint to it. Every pack of hair has 12 twists in it. So I have 7 packs in my head. That means I have 84 twists in all. Here's what 1 pack installed looks like. I used all the 99J in the back. Here's what 2 packs looks like. And now I'm moving on to the color 2, which is a black color, but not the deepest black. And here is how the twist is installed. Each twist has a loop on the end, and it is best to find the loop and then open it up a little bit so that when you put it on the hook, it's bigger than what it started as. Stick your finger through there, pull it apart, and then once you have it apart like that, you can put it on the hook, close the latch hook, pull it through the braid. Then by pushing the latch hook through all the way until it stops, you can take the end of the twist and pull it back through the hole. And then tighten at the root. I'm leaving about a finger width of space in between each twist. I don't want them right next to each other because the root of it, where it's twisted, is going to kind of fluff back up and it'll cover the braid. And if I put it too close as well, it's going to make for way too many twists in my hair. And then that's when it starts to get heavy. So I'm just putting it on the latch hook, pulling it through, putting the end on, and then pulling the end through the hole to make a loop. As you can see right here, I didn't pull the whole twist, so it kind of came unraveled, but that does not matter. It'll go right back into place. That is the beauty of these twists. Here's what 3 packs looks like, and I am separating them as much as possible in my hair. I'm making sure I leave gaps, but I do have a big head, and I realize that about right here. Here's 4 packs. Getting there. 5 packs. Getting so close to the front. And at this point, I only had 1 pack left, so I definitely had to go to the store. And here we are with 6 packs. I have 2 braids and like a half left to cover. So I went to the store and I got 2 more packs. I ended up putting both packs in there and then I took some out of the back. So I have 7 packs of hair in all after adding the hair. So I have taken it out of the little bun that I put it in the bag so you can just see how full it is. This is what 7 packs looks like. I mean, it looks like a lot, but I have a big head and I needed to cover the entire area. Also, I realized that India gave me 10 braids in the front and usually I just have 8. So that made a difference as well, but it means that the hair is laying flatter. So it's perfect. And so I needed a little bit more hair to cover my big old head, but that's all right because I'm cute. I really love these passion twists. And honestly, I was going to go for individuals and do them myself with the rubber band method. And I'm probably never doing individuals again unless I get someone else to do them for me. I just don't have the time or the patience. This is going to be so clutch. I'm starting back going to the gym often, and so I don't have to worry about my hair. And even when I need to wash my scalp, it's not going to mess up this hair. This hair is not going to come unraveled. Now, it is $9.99 per pack where I got it from. You can probably get it online for a little bit cheaper, but if you're using 6 or 7 packs, it does add up. And then if you're paying someone to braid your hair, you're going to have to pay for that as well. If you can braid your own hair, fine. You don't have to worry about that. But this is also hair that I will reuse. I will not be throwing this hair away. I will not be being lazy and cutting it out with scissors. I'm going to unloop every single one of them and put them in the bags that they came in. I did get some little rings that I'll probably put on my hair as well, just for some little like decor, make it cute, make it poppin'. But I really do love these passion twists. They're the same brand that I used before, except these are 24 inches. I think the other ones before might have been 18 inches, but I love this hair. I love it. My braids are perfect underneath. My passion twists are great. I can't say any bad things about this hair. And no, it doesn't feel heavy. You can tell that you have the hair in your head, obviously, but it's not heavy like braiding hair. I don't know how they do it. It's just not. It feels amazing. It feels very lightweight. I can jog. I can do Zumba or whatever, like exercise. I can put them up in a bun or 2 buns or whatever I need to do. I really like this hair. So thanks for joining me on this episode. And until next time, y'all have a good day.